Ever wonder why your jeans feel like they're shrinking in the dryer? Could it be that your washing machine is plotting against you? Or perhaps it's those sneaky midnight snacks that are making a home in your waistline? Well, fear not, for we're here to guide you on a hilariously enlightening journey on weight loss. First up, we have the Laugh Yourself Slim strategy. Yes, you heard it right. Belly laughs are not just for belly dancers. A good chuckle can burn up to 100 calories per hour. So go ahead, watch that comedy show, share a joke, laugh at your own puns, and let the calories melt away in guffaws and giggles. Then there's the chilly weight loss method. Ever notice how your teeth chatter when you're cold? That's your body trying to warm up, and guess what it uses to do that? Calories. So crank up the air conditioning or take a cold shower. You'll not only save on your heating bill, but also slim down in the process. Just remember to bundle up afterward. We wouldn't want you to catch a cold. Moving on to the spice up your life technique. Adding a little heat to your meals can boost your metabolism and help you burn those extra calories. So don't shy away from the hot sauce or the chili flakes. However, be sure to have a glass of water handy. We don't want you to spontaneously combust. Next up, we have the shop till you drop plan. Walking around the mall, carrying shopping bags, trying on clothes, all these activities burn calories. So go on that shopping spree. Just remember to avoid the food court and stick to the clothes and shoe stores. And finally, the dance like no one's watching strategy. Dancing is a fun way to burn calories. So crank up your favorite tunes and bust some moves. You don't have to be a pro, just move and have fun. Remember, the goal is to burn calories, not win a dance competition. So there you have it, 5 fun and slightly unconventional ways to lose weight. Remember, weight loss isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So laugh, chill, spice things up, shop, and dance your way to a healthier, happier you. In conclusion, weight loss doesn't have to be a chore, it can be an adventure. So next time your jeans feel a little tight, don't blame the dryer. Instead, laugh a little louder, turn down the heat, add some spice, go shopping, and dance like no one's watching. And remember, the only thing you have to lose is the weight.